This is a quick video. I wanted to show these things off. These are 3D printed oil filler caps. They're very affordable. It's a guy on Adventure Rider that makes them. I'm going to link below to where you can buy them. Let's go check it out on the bike. Alright, we have a really dirty GS here. And got our keycap. You see the back here. It's 3D printed. It's really, really hard. It's not bending at all. We're going to put it right in here. Give this a twist. Boom, just like that. And you're open. Just like that. And then closing it back, of course. Now, you won't be able to know what you're torquing these to, but I think these things are really cool. It's definitely something that you want to keep in your tool bag going forward. You can put it on your keychain if you want to. And really, really neat. These are like $9. Cost him far less to print them, but there was a little R&D as far as the shape of this goes, so it was $9 shipped. So I'll link to him below. I paid for this, by the way. I didn't get it for free. Well, I did tell him I would be doing a video, so maybe he didn't charge me shipping or something. I can't remember. But I think it was $9 is what I paid. I can't remember. It's been like a month or so since I bought this. But anyway, I'll link to it below. These things are pretty cool. Works with the oil filler cap. Nice tool to keep with you. Super compact and small. Here it is on the keyless. Real tiny. So grab one if you want to. And thanks for watching.